Hello and welcome. Today we've got this shear cordless machine from Welsh Shearing. This one has a simple problem. It's going, but it's not driving the head. And if your shear cordless machine's doing that, there could be two things wrong. I'm going to show you it there when you get this battery off it. The first thing you do is slacken this, get these two screws, and this will tell you probably all you need to know. The first thing you look at is this gear, and it's a nylon gear, and it's designed that it would strip the cogs rather than damage the head. And you see that's moving and everything's alright there, so the head's okay. So for the next test, we're going to have to put in the battery and switch it on to see if this is going round. See, it's not going round. You can hold it. That's actually broke, sheared off. That gear has sheared off, and it's can turn it independently. So these have a straight, a little sealed brushed motor that drives this gear, and sometimes instead of this stripping off, it actually breaks the shaft and you have to replace the whole motor assembly. But what you can do, and this is what I'm going to do, I have got in touch with, I've actually gotten Welsh Shearing's website and got a brand new unit, that whole unit there, and you can get this for under £100, and all you have to do is screw the head on it, just with the two screws that you already have. Quite simple, just line them up, screw it on. So if the head's alright, you're basically replacing everything else, and you have a new set of shears basically for under £100. I'm calling that fixed. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Check out my channel for all my other videos.